what is the concept we are going to be discussed here? Current class, what is the concept we are going to be discussed here is, okay. In the last class, we are discussing about the expressions inside the what? C language. And expressions means what? Primary expression, postfix expression, expression means what? Unary expression means what? Binary and ternary expression. These are the things we are discussing in the last class. And today's class we are going to discuss about the okay. Today's class we are going to discuss about what is meant by the precedence of. Precedence means what? What is meant by the associativity means what? And here precedence and associativity comes under the water. Associativity comes under the water. Expressions inside the water. C language. Precedence is nothing but what? Priority. We need to remember precedence means what? Priority. Precedence is used to determine what? Determine the order in which different operators in a complex expression are evaluated. In a complex expression are evaluated. Uh, okay, depending on the priority of the operator, which operator, suppose if we are having in this manner, if you are writing the expression as what? C is equal to, if I am writing something as C is equal to A plus B divided by C mod mod D. Like this, we are having one expression. And inside this, which one is going to be evaluated first? A plus B is going to be evaluated first, or B plus B divided by C is going to be evaluated first, or C mod D is going to be evaluated first. Is depending on the which one it is going to be evaluated means depending on the precedence. Suppose which for which operator is having the highest priority, that operator is going to be evaluated first. And suppose if all the operators are having the equal priority, uh, here precedence nothing but what? Priority. And which operator is having the top priority, that operator is going to be evaluated first. And which operator is having the second priority, that operator is going to be evaluated second. Like here next one, inside the expressions we are having one concept called associativity. And suppose sometimes if all the operators are having the equal priority, then in which direction it is going to be executed? In which direction it is going to be executed? Either left to right side it is going to be executed, or right to left it is going to be executed. Either left to right it is going to be executed, or right to left it is going to be executed. These are the things. Associativity means what is the definition we are defining? Associativity is used to determine the order. Is used to determine the order in which operators with same precedence, operators with what? Same priority, are evaluated inside the what? Complex expression. And now here associativity means we need to remember something as what? If the operators are having equal priority means how that expression is going to be evaluated, whether it is going to be evaluated in right to left or left to right. And what is the, if the operators inside the expression, if we are having different operators, then which operator is going to be evaluated? Which expression inside the expression, which by using which operator is going to be evaluated first? We need to know. And here, what are the two types of concepts we need to be remembered here? Means inside the expressions inside the C language, we need to remember something like what? We need to know something about the what? Uh, what is meant by the precedence? What is meant by the associativity? First of all, we are going to see something about the what? Precedence here. And here now we are going to see one precedence table, and here what is the inside the precedence table. Here what is the for which type of things we are having the top priority. We are having something as what to which type of things we are having the top priority means identifiers, constants, and something as what parenthetical expressions. Nothing but what here identifiers, nothing but what suppose if you declared something as int a, int what is the thing you have been declared here means you have been declared something as what you have been declared something statement as what int a comma b, like this you have been declared. For which type of variables it is going to show the top priority means A and B, it is going to show something as what top priority. Why? Because we are going to call these two things as what variable names. These two things we are going to be called it as what identifiers. They are going to be called it as what identifiers, and we are going to call them as what identifiers. And here what is the which type of things we are going to be called it as a constants here means uh, suppose in this manner we are going to declare. Suppose before the preprocessor we are going to main method in this manner if I am declaring here hash define pi and something what is the value I am declaring here means by 3.14 in this manner I am indicating here, and this type of variable we are going to be called it as what constant, and these constants are also having the what high priority. The constants are also having which type of priority means high priority, and to which type of variables we are going to here which type of variables we are having the which type of things we are going to have the top priority means here if you are indicating this curve braces, if you are indicating this type of curve braces, and here I am writing something as plus c by d, and inside this expression which one is going to be evaluated first here means this one is going to be evaluated first. A plus b is going to be evaluated first. Why? Because it is having something as what curve braces. It is having something as what it is having something as what curve braces, so it is going to be evaluated first. And here why it is going to be evaluated, it is having the top priority. What is the priority it is having here means 60, and okay, and which here inside the precedence table, identifiers, constants, and parenthetical expressions are having the top priority. It is okay. What are the things we need to remember? Identifiers, constants, and curve braces are going to have the top priority. Next, what is the which one is going to have the priority? Next priority means square brackets for array index, function calls, dot operator, indirect member selection operator, nothing but indicating as arrow, okay, hyphen arrow, or post increment, post fix increment and decrement. These operators we are going to have something as for the next prior. And here, what is the thing it is going to have? Suppose both the operators are existed in a same kind of expression, then in which direction it is going to be executed? And it is going to be executed from the which direction? Left to the right, left to the right. And inside this precedence table, what are the things we need to observe here means which one is having the top priority and which one is having the least priority. Comma operator is having the least priority, and okay, well, which one is having the highest priority means identifiers, constants, and curve braces are having the highest priority. And here, depending on this precedence table only, depending on this precedence table only, the expressions are going to be evaluated. expressions are going to be evaluated. And if you are using the operators and if you are operators, operands, and operators and operands combinedly means we are going to be called it as a expression. And inside that expression, what are the two concepts? Every expression is dependent on what are the two concepts means. Every expression is dependent on associativity, and this last column we are indicating it as what precedence. Precedence nothing but what priority. Associativity means two types of things we are going to have: left to right or right to left. Left to right or right to left. Now we are going to see some of the examples on the what uh, associativity and the what precedence. Associativity and the what precedence here. And here I am writing a program called is a program example on the what precedence on an expression. Precedence on an expression. And here what is the three variables we have been declared. A is equal to 10 we have been declared, and B is equal to 20 we have been declared, and C is equal to what 30. And up to here local declaration and initialization has been done. And here if I am writing the statement a into b plus c, a into what is the thing I am indicating, a into b plus c I am indicating one expression statement inside the what printf statement. And here in which manner it is going to be executed here means either left to right it is going to be executed, depending on the precedence it is going to be executed. We need to check. And if you what is the thing we are having. Okay. Here, what is the thing it is going to be executed here means first of all it is going to execute this a into b is going to be executed first. 10 into 20 is going to be executed. 10 into 20 means what is the value? 200. And after that, next what is the thing it is going to be executed? 200 plus c means what? 30. 200 plus c means what? 30. And then what is the value it is going to give the result here means here it is going to give the result as what? 230. It is going to give the single value. Every expression is going to be reduced to the complex expression is reduced to the what? Single value. And here it is going to give the final value as what? 230. And here also we are writing a into b plus c, but here what is the thing we have been indicated? Here we have been used something as what? Row braces. So which expression is going to be evaluated first here means b plus c is going to be evaluated first, and b plus c means what? 50. It is going to execute it as what? 50. And after that, after this 50, what is the thing it is going to be evaluated? 20 plus 30 is going to become as what? 20 and plus 30. 20 plus 30 means what is the value it is going to give? It is going to give the value as what? 50. And after that, what is the thing it is going to be executed here means 50. 50 into what is the value it is going to be evaluated here means next 10 into 50 means what is the final value it is going to give? What is the final value it is going to give? 10 into 50 means it is going to give it is the value as what? 500. It is going to give the value result as what? 500. And now we are going to see what is the output it is going to be displayed by using these two statements. What is the output it is displaying by using this? First statement we are expecting something as 230. Uh, why we are expecting 230 means A into B is evaluated first. Next, A into B evaluated value plus C. Plus C is going to be evaluated next. And so it is going to give something the result as what? 200 plus 30 means 230 it is going to give. Here it is going to give the result as what 10 into 15 is 20 plus 30 is going to be evaluated first. After that 10 into 50, 500 it has to give the result. And now we are going to see what is the output it is going to be expected. And here first value we are getting something as what 230, and second value we are getting it as what 500. Here a value is what a is equal to 10, and b is equal to what is the value we are having, b is equal to 20, and c is equal to 30. We are having something as c is equal to 30. These are the values we are declaring inside the code. And here, which one is evaluated first? A into B has been evaluated first. Which one is evaluated next? This entire thing has been evaluated next. And A into B means what is the value? We are getting the value as what? 200. And 200, we are getting the value as what? 200. And here, what is the value we are getting here means plus C means what is the value we are having, plus C means what is the value we are having, 30. So it is going to give the result as what 230. It is giving the result as what 230. But here, what is the extra thing we have been indicated inside this expression here means we are using some curve braces. So what is the thing is going to be evaluated first? Here it is going to evaluate this one first. After that, it is going to evaluate this entire expression. So what is the thing here we are going to get? Here we are going to get the result as what b plus c, nothing but what 50 we are going to get, and here we are going to get it as what after this everything 10 into 50, 10 into 50. Next 10 into 50 means what is the result it is going to give? It is going to give the result as what 500. And here how these statements have been executed here means how this expression has been evaluated means depending on the what precedence, and which one is having the highest precedence inside this first statement. It is having the first priority, it is having the second priority, it is having the first priority, it is having the second priority, so it has been evaluated first, and it has been evaluated next, it has been evaluated like this. Here it is having the, we are using some curve braces, so it is going to be executed first. After that, the next statements are going to be executed. So here it is giving the result as 500, and here it is giving the result as what 230. And this is all about what? This is all about the statement called what? This program is demonstrating about the what? Which operator precedence operator. This program is demonstrating about the which operator precedence operator. Precedence nothing but what? Priority. Inside this expression, which one is having the highest priority? Asterisk is having the first priority, plus is having the second priority. And inside this expression, which one is having the first priority? Curve braces are having the first priority. Inside the curve braces, whatever the expression is there, that expression is going to be evaluated first. After that, only the next here. So b plus c is evaluated first. After that, b plus c into a is evaluated next. And this is all about what? Precedence operator. Precedence inside the what? Precedence inside the what? C language. And next, what is the concept we are having? Associativity. Associativity means what are the two things we need to remember. We need to remember something as what? Left to right, or the expression is going to be evaluated from right to left. When it is going to evaluate from left to right or right to left, when it is going to be evaluated. Just now inside the precedence table we have seen depending on the operator, depending on the operators also, the expression is going to be evaluated. And while two operators are having the same priority means in which manner, in which direction the operator is going to be evaluated. Just now we have been seeing here. inside the expression we are having multiple commas. Then in which direction it is executing left to right. Here we are having something a is equal to 5. Then in which direction it is executing right to left. It is executing inside in which direction right to left. And if you are using a ternary condition operator means what it is in which direction it is going to be evaluated, the associativity is what right to left. And if you are using a logical or means in which direction it is going to be evaluated left to the right. Inside this expression it is evaluated from the what left to what right. And here it is evaluated from the what right to what left. And here it is evaluating in this direction, and here it is evaluating in this direction. And now we are going to see these are the inside the precedence table, and these are the examples they are mentioning about the what associativity. And now we are going to see a expression with multiple operators we are going to be seeing, and how the associativity is going to be applied. And here associativity means what? Associativity is applied when we have more than one operator of the same precedence level in expression. In an expression. In, inside the expression, we are having a multiple operators with same priority means how it is going to be evaluated. And such evaluation is dependent on the concept called what associativity. Such a evaluation is dependent on the concept called what associativity. And here we are having one expression called, what is the expression we are having here? We are having something as what inside this expression we are using operators called place. And which operator is going to have the which priority? Which operator is having the which priority? And here what is the here all the operators here I am using the plus sign, here I am using the plus sign, here also I am using the plus sign. Then what is the thing, all these operators are having the equal priority. All these operators are having the what equal priority. Then how it is going to be evaluated? It is going to be evaluated from left to right or right to left. It is going to be evaluated from the what left to right. Then left to right means what? Here it is going to evaluate a plus b is going to be evaluated first. Next, a plus b result value plus c is going to be evaluated next. And next it is going to evaluate a plus b plus c. After that, the result value is added with the what d. In this manner it is going to be executed. Here this expression is going to be executed first, and here next it is going to be executed, and finally it is going to be executed and give the result. And so here in which direction it is executing here means, in which direction it is executing here means, it is executing from the which direction? Left to right. Left to right. When the left to right associativity is going to be occurred means, if all the if the operators are having the what equal precedence, equal priority, then the expression is going to be evaluated from the what left to right. Depending on the operator type, it is going to be evaluated. Depending on the operator type, associativity is going to be dependent. Here we are here we are having the same type of priorities, same priorities plus a plus b plus c plus d. Here everywhere we are using the plus operator. Then the system is going to evaluate first what a plus b. After that, a plus b result value will be what c. After that, a plus b plus c result value will be what d. It's going to be evaluated. And here what is the next concept when it is going to execute from the what right to left? here inside this expression we are having the water, all the operators of water same type. Here also we are having the all the operators of same type, but here what is the here it is taking executing in left to right associativity. Here it is executing, and whenever we are using some assignment operator means we need to remember something as what which type of in which type of associativity manner it is going to be executed. Here right to what left. Here, but while using the assignment, if you are using assignment means what is the thing? D is equal 10 is going to be evaluated first. 10 is going to be assigned to D. After that, the same 10 is going to be assigned to the what? Uh, and after that, and this one. And finally, what is the thing that is going to be, it is going to evaluate this. So here, which type of associative we are seeing? Here we are seeing something as what left to right associative. Here we are seeing something as what left to right associative. And while using the assignment operator means assignment operator inside the expression if we are using means it is going to execute uh, it is going to while assigning the value to the identifier means which type of associativity is going to take place means left to right associativity is going to be which type of associativity sorry, not left to right, right to left associativity is going to be takes place. Which type of associativity it is going to takes place here means uh, right to left associativity is going to be takes place. Here, right to left. Here I have indicated the wrong direction. Here, what is the thing we need to indicate that this direction we are going to be called it as right. This one we are going to be called it as left. And here, in which direction it is going to be evaluated? This one, after this one, and next this one is going to be evaluated. Next, this one is going to be evaluated. And this type of if you are executing in this direction means what is the thing we are going to be called right to left it is evaluate, and some of the expressions are going to be evaluated from right to left when example if you are using inside the expression if you are using some assignment operator means what is the expression is going to be evaluated in which direction means right to left direction it is going to be uh, executed, and such type of associativity we are going to be called it as what right to left associativity, right to left associativity. And what is the important thing we need to be remembered here means expressions are dependent on what expressions are going to be executed depending on the what two concepts called what evaluated depending on the what precedence and associativity. Precedence means what is used to determine the order in which different operators in a complex expression are evaluated, and associativity means what is used to determine the order in which in which operators with same precedence are evaluated in a complex expression. And here, under the precedence, we need to remember which type of operator we are using. We need to be the system is going to be focused, and inside the associativity, depending on the operator, is the expression is going to evaluate left to right or right to left is going to be focused, and this concept we are going to be called it as what precedence and associativity inside the what C language expression.